where business solutions are crafted not just by human experts, but by intelligent algorithms capable of predicting trends, solving complex problems, and generating strategic ideas. That's not a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the power of generative AI in business consulting. But is it all opportunity and no challenge? Today, we're diving deep into how generative AI is revolutionizing the business consulting industry and the hurdles that come with it. Introduction to generative AI in business consulting. Generative AI refers to systems capable of generating content, ideas, solutions, and even strategic plans using advanced machine learning models. In business consulting, it's not just about automating tasks. It's about enhancing creativity, efficiency, and strategic decision-making. From drafting complex business strategies to analyzing vast data sets in seconds, generative AI is changing the game. Opportunities brought by generative AI: one, enhanced decision. Making one of the most significant advantages is data-driven decision-making. Generative AI can process enormous data sets faster than any human, revealing patterns and insights that were previously unimaginable. This capability helps consultants provide precise, strategic recommendations to clients. 2. Personalized client solutions. Generative AI tailors solutions based on each client's unique data and needs. Whether it's crafting personalized marketing strategies or financial planning, the technology enables consultants to deliver more impactful and relevant solutions. 3. Increased efficiency and cost reduction. By automating repetitive tasks such as data analysis, report generation, and even drafting strategic documents, generative AI dramatically reduces operational costs and enhances productivity, allowing consultants to focus on high-level strategic thinking. 4th, creativity and innovation. Generative AI is not just about automation, it's also about enhancing creativity. It can generate multiple strategic scenarios, innovative business ideas, and marketing campaigns, enabling consultants to explore a wide array of creative solutions. Challenges of using generative AI in business consulting: 1. Data privacy and security concerns. With great power comes great responsibility. The vast amount of data used by generative AI raises significant privacy and security concerns. Ensuring compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR is crucial. 2. Risk of over-reliance. Generative AI is powerful, but it's not infallible. Over-reliance can lead to strategic errors, especially when the AI suggestions are taken at face value without human oversight. 3. Ethical implications. The use of AI in decision-making raises ethical questions, particularly when it comes to biases embedded within the algorithms. Ensuring fairness and transparency is an ongoing challenge. 4th, workforce disruption. The rise of generative AI in consulting could lead to workforce displacement. While it enhances productivity, it also poses the risk of reducing the need for human analysts and strategists. Preparing for the future of consulting. To thrive in this evolving landscape, consultants must embrace a mindset of collaboration with AI rather than competition. Investing in AI education, understanding ethical implications, and enhancing data security protocols will be key. Generative AI is not just the future, it's the present reality of business consulting. As opportunities and challenges continue to unfold, staying informed and adaptable will be the game changer. Want to learn more about how to leverage generative AI for your business? Visit our website today and stay ahead of the curve. Generative AI in business consulting presents a world of possibilities, but it also comes with its set of challenges. The key lies in balancing innovation with responsibility. As we continue to navigate this dynamic landscape, one thing is clear: those who master this balance will lead the future of business consulting.